Somebody else started this time, always fun. That was probably the most irritating thing when I was first starting out, is I spent a lot of time fixing what other people did. This is something that somebody else started on, which again, when I was young, can I just get something that somebody else didn't screw up? But this is a daunting little task if you haven't got any experience. But anyway, the floor was caving in. Ultimately, the reason is the water coming from the backside of the house going underneath the house. And even though it has block, it finds a way to get to the lower point. And they're going to do some things to support, stop that from happening. But the floor joist right there broke. We're going to fix that. We'll probably put another board beside it. The supports here are not doing any good. The floor joist over there is rotted, if you can see that, Drew. Yeah. You probably grab it with your hand and pick it up. So we're going to replace that. And on the other side of the wall there's the hallway leading in and out of the house, and it bounces. So we're going to try to fix that. The way we're going to do all that is we're going to put a support right straight through the middle. And I'm going to use 4x4s because that's what they have. I actually have some 2x6s turned on edge, but the 4x4s will work just fine. And we'll put in new floor joists where it's needed. And maybe if they have enough, I'll put it on every bit of the room. But we're going to make this place better. We're going to put supports under the water heater first, because the water heater's trying to cave through. So we're going to put blocks, and this pan underneath there is quite a lot of water and mud to deal with, which Tim's already under there.
Oh, it's a swimming pool.
That makes it better, doesn't it, having that? So anyway, here we are on this adventure, and we're going to pour concrete into that, because she bought some. The guys told her that was where the water was coming in. It looks like it is some. But we're going to pour concrete there and make it solid. So, here we go.